Okay, so today I'm going to install web browser, which comes with a VPN built in, and we're going to enable that and show you how you can browse the internet securely and privately if you so wish. Okay, so it's a very simple process. First of all, you need to download the Opera browser. So if we go into our current browser, which is Chrome, just type in Opera and hit enter, do a little Google search. Okay, so first result that comes up is Opera. I'm going to click on that. Okay, browse the way you want. Now you can download this browser for any operating system that you're using. I'm just going to click on the first one. It's nice and simple. As you can see down in this bottom left hand corner, that has downloaded. Okay, an exe setup file. Alright, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on that one. I can now close my browser because the setup software will run itself. Always click on the options, just have a little look in there to make sure your languages are right and various other things. You might not want to make it your default browser, so you want to untick that if you don't want it to be your default browser. I'm going to leave that ticked for this exercise. Help improve Opera, so I'll untick that one for now, and import your bookmarks and data from the default browser. Alright, I'm not going to do that because this is just, like I say, a tutorial for me. But if you have, say, Google Chrome and you've got all your bookmarks and all your data and everything else on there on your Google Chrome browser, you might want to tick that to import all your little links and shortcuts and stuff over. Okay, just hit install and wait for that to install. So basically, once you've installed your Opera browser, mine has run automatically. Yours might not, and you might have to jump on your desktop and double click on the big O, or down here in the taskbar. Okay, so once it's run, it'll come to your default speed dial page. That's what they call it. This is the first page you come to, and you've also got a thanks for downloading page, so we'll just turn that off for now. To enable your virtual private network, your VPN, we need to click on the little easy setup task up there on the right hand side. Scroll right down on this page till you see privacy and security. Now there's lots of things the Opera browser will do. It will block ads, so you can turn that on, and it will block trackers, so you can turn that on as well if you want to. Okay, but the VPN part is here, and if you click on enable in settings, don't show me that again. I understand. It does say that your connection speed might be affected. It does affect your connection speed a little bit, but not a great deal. Okay, but just click understand just to get rid of that. Alright, so here's your VPN, right at the top. Enable VPN. You can click on the learn more if you want to learn a bit more information about it. Okay, so we simply turn that on. Enable VPN. Alright, and we've bypassed we've turned off bypass VPN for default search engines, so the VPN will stay on all the time. Alright, we now turn that off. You don't need to save anything. Okay, so up here in the address bar you can see that you now have a VPN button. Up there, if you click on that, you can turn that on and off from near the address bar there. It'll give you a little graph as to how much data you've been transferring for a VPN, and you can also change your optimal location. Okay, but I'm just going to leave all that for now as it is. Okay, so if we go in here now, you might one thing that I will say with using the VPN is because it's routing you through possibly a different country, anywhere in the world where these VPN servers are set up, you might get some problems when trying to browse your local websites and things like that. So if you have any problems browsing eBay or something, like sometimes I'll go onto a website and it'll be in Russian or a different language that I don't understand, all you need to do is just turn the VPN off in that case, or change the language if you can on the web page if you want to keep browsing using the VPN. Google searches will also sometimes throw up little problems for you as well. We'll see if that happens now. It says about our IP address. Okay, so we didn't get any problems there. Okay, it's given me a IPv6 address rather than a standard IP address. But what we'll do, we'll go down here into what's my IP address where we were before so that it looks familiar. Alright, so it is giving me an IP version 6 address, and there's the IP version 4 address. Okay, so by simply enabling that VPN, it has now told me that I am in Liechtenstein somewhere, as you can see there, with an IPv6 address, and that is an IPv4 address. Alright, so the VPN is working, and if anybody's trying to track you or watch what you're doing, they have no idea where you are now. Alright, now it's as simple as that. Now if I turn that off, I'm going to turn that VPN off now, okay, and I'm going to reload this page. So without the VPN, so VPN's off, same web address, same website, and all of a sudden I don't have an IPv6 address, but I do have an IPv4 address. Okay, so we have VPN installed but turned off. As you can see there, it's off. Okay, we've gone to what'smyipaddress.com to find out what my IP address is. Okay, so on this page we can see that my IP address is this, and I do not have any IPv6 address. Alright, we now turn on that VPN. Okay, we're going to enable that now. I'm going to leave all this off. Okay, so VPN is now on. If I now refresh this page, you'll notice that all of a sudden I now have an IPv6 address, okay, and the IPv4 address is totally different to the last one. Alright, and it's telling me that my current location is in Liechtenstein, in the middle of Europe, Eastern Europe somewhere. Okay, so that's how the VPN works. Alright, and that is the tutorial over. Good luck with that, guys. If you need any help, drop us a message. Remember to subscribe and like the video if you think it's good.